Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you my strategies. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So you need to have a sort of community, a following to share a product. And then you'll get paid based on your commissions you're making. So that's usually how it works. You need to work on your following. So once you have a big following, or at least you have a community, then you can share some product and you make money based on your commission that you're making. So, but let's say you don't have any following. So what you can do is to start buying. You probably already have some products from Amazon that you bought some products from Amazon, and what you can do is to simply review those products, and you post that review on YouTube, and you start to grow on YouTube, a YouTube channel based on reviews. So products you bought from Amazon and then you review them. And that way you can simply paste links from Amazon, affiliate link. You can join Amazon Associates. So you can simply then copy the link, the affiliate from that product that you bought, and then you simply review that product. That's what you have to do, because if you start with the community, that's going to take some time. You can also, in fact, start, I know there are other ways as well. You can even start a social media account, Instagram account or a TikTok account, where you simply record or you just simply explain something that is related to that product. It can be really a single product, one product. I know you just you find something, a product that have affiliate links that you can share their product. In majority of the products right now, you can become an affiliate, and then you simply grow a team page, Instagram page or a TikTok page based on that product, and then you share related content on that product, on that page. You create content based on that product that you are promoting, and then you can make commissions. And that's a great way. I know a lot of people that are doing this, and it's just gonna take some time, obviously, to grow that page. So then people will click on that link on your TikTok account or on Instagram account. Then you can start making commissions. But it is 100% possible to make $1,000 per month, even more, even 10K. But something you have to keep in mind is to have the right expectation. It's gonna take a lot of time to build a team page, even on YouTube. If you start doing reviews, it's gonna take some. It takes time to get that ball rolling. So it's not that easy. That's not easy at all. I don't like when I see YouTube videos on YouTube and they're telling you that it's really easy. You don't need experience. You don't need skills. No, you do need skills. You need a lot of skills. But make sure you start. Even if you fail, you can learn something from that experience. But I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys, you have some Amazon products and you can start review them. Share with the viewers your honest opinion. Make sure you always tested that product, you bought that product, and you don't share on any platform, or you don't recommend product that you have not tested, and you have that product and you test them. You have you simply tested that product before you recommend any product, basically. So now once you found the product on Amazon, you can simply buy that product, review that product, test that product, use it, see if you like it, and if you like it, you can simply share your your experience with that product on your YouTube channel. Share with people the pros and the cons and the negative parts and the positive parts. You can also start a TikTok account or an Instagram account. I know it took me a long time to build my Instagram account. It was like a theme page sharing some videos related to a product, but takes a lot of time, especially on TikTok, not on TikTok, on Instagram, but on TikTok I think it's easier, but you still have to have the right strategy. And if I had a more base strategy, and then I could have grown my theme page much faster. So make sure you have the right strategy, which is make sure you create content that is engagement, that is engaging, and is content that people will engage with, right? It's not just something that people won't engage with. So create good content, and then you can work on that theme page. That is more of once you have a following, it's more of like a passive income, but it's gonna take time, and you can start doing this right away. If you already have products, Amazon products, or any other product, you can even buy, a digital product, and then you can share your thoughts on YouTube, on your theme page. And if you have a digital product, you can really create some content on that page, on that account, related to that product. So I'm not saying to create every single time a review that you post on that theme page, because that theme page might be a theme page that is that you promote only one product, and then you can just share videos related to that product, so you can grow your page. So yeah, that's something you can do. So make sure you start with this, and let me know, your experience, what you start doing, if you start doing on a YouTube channel, on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram, and share your thoughts with me. Also, remember, it's gonna take some time, but if you start today, you're gonna learn from your experience, and it's just gonna help you. No, once you start doing something, then you can learn and see what's working and what's not working. But I feel like if you always do something that you know is like good, you start reviewing products and this is a good product, and you share the positive aspect and the negative aspect, then you can start growing a good community and a strong community that will really trust you for your opinion. Then that's perfect. That's something you have